Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we explore how to design high-end photo edits. Start by opening your image and duplicating the background layer to maintain a clean, non-destructive workflow. Then isolate your main subject using the Object Selection tool before refining it carefully in Mask Overlay mode. Pay close attention to edges, textures, and transitions, especially around skin, fabric, and fine details, as high-end edits demand subtlety rather than heavy effects. Once the mask is applied, use clipped adjustment layers to control exposure, contrast, and color independently, keeping tones balanced and realistic. Introduce gentle dodge and burn